Pairs of sunglasses, so I'm gonna have to go with these, which are okay.
I have that.
Oh my gosh, can I borrow some sunglasses?
No.
Oh, cord.
What are you doing? I'm shaving.
How do you feel?
Kind of nervous. I just squeezed my eyelashes and now I can't see.
How do you feel?
I feel great.
So we're waiting to board.
Thumbnail.
Fly with us today.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you super excited?
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Me too. Eat it in slow motion.
Like, eat it in slow motion, or you're gonna put it in slow motion?
No, you eat it in slow motion because I don't know how to do that.
Everything around me is not gonna be in slow motion. This is for you.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Sticking out. I'm almost done with it. Leaving time. I think it's her newer one. I remember them. She's always. I like her.
Faded.
The boarding door is now closed. Please put away laptop computers. Small handheld electronic devices may be used in airplane mode.
Put your phone on airplane. Oh my god. Put
Slide
your phone on
into the smart
airplane
doors.
mode.
Cross-check standby for all
I
calls.
don't even know how to do that.
Prepare for takeoff, please.
Prepare for takeoff, please.
We're like the Flash.
Record that way.
Zoom. Record.
Gotta go fast.
Wait, stop.
So fast.
How do you feel?
I want my bag.
Where are we going, Ashton?
To the hotel.
Uh-huh. What are you doing right now?
Our radio stations don't work.
Oh man. We gotta use them California IA radio stations.
Vanilla 2 on Power 6 with hip hop hits, DJ Reflex and the SCRTs.
Look at all
South
them
Carolina.
palm
From
trees.
South Carolina. What is their motto? California.
Sunshine State?
The Sunshine State.
The Sunshine State liars! You lie! Oh. Hey man.
So many palm trees.
What are those? Just run! Run! That man's wings broke his shirt. He looks like some wings just like... That guy honked at you. Dang, calm down. It was green for like 0.2 seconds.
He's a little baby honk.
A little baby honk.
Wasn't rude.
It's like a little roadrunner. Hey, meet me. So we're at the hotel. Ashton is checking in, and then we have to figure out where we're parking. And I'm sitting in the car by myself like her little child. How far will this thing zoom in? That's pretty good.
Check it out. Hello, hotel room. Hello. View of the back of another hotel. Yeah. But look over there, guys. It's the ocean. Oh my god.
I'm in my underwear. I haven't been to a beach in like 1,000 years. Okay, you're gonna keep going straight. Here. I'm so excited. Like Manhattan. Manhattan? That's not in California, is it?
First step for mankind. Oh my god. Oh, it's sand. It's actual sand. Searching for gold.
There's gold in them there sand. Look
Oh
at
my
the seagull.
god.
Look at the seagull.
What?
Look at them. They're a lot bigger than I remember seagulls being.
How do you feel?
I feel great. I feel absolutely fantastic. Who's taking that?
Feels so soft.
It's so fine.
Can I bury you?
No,
Why not?
because I don't want sand in all my crevices. Hold your nose. Let it take you. If you fight it, you're gonna drown like I just did. All right, ready? Oh my God. Perfect. What? Going down to the ocean. Yeah, what? Mermaid. What? Of the ocean. Don't mess with us. Don't mess with us. Yeah. Word. Oh. It is Baywatch. Whoa there, drunkie. Yeah. No. You ready? The suspense. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh no! Oh no! I'm sick and tired of this! No, it's not. Stepped on like a rock. You a pro, go pro. You a pro, go pro, pro. You a go pro, 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 pro. You know. What do I know? Freaking oceans in eruption. You know. How did you not, like, you're not even underwater? Everywhere. I'm gonna go sit on the shore for a second. Wilson. Wilson. How bad,
Hey guys, so we're back at the hotel now after a long day. And we're just showering, and then I gotta edit the vlog, and which is the one that you're watching now, and then we're gonna go to bed. Yay! So I hope that you had fun today watching the vlog, because I had fun living it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for Tuesday vlog part 2. Okay, bye!